Here I'm barely jogging. Close to 20 minutes per mile. I remember when I was in high school, I used to see older people jogging at this pace and being kind of dismissive, thinking, ah, that's not really exercise. Now that I'm in my mid-60s, it's like, yeah, this is exercise. Getting close to my destination. Big rock in front of me. Behind me is an igneous rock formation. I think that's a magma extrusion, but I'm not enough of a geologist to really be sure of that. Maybe if there are any geologists watching this video, they can leave a comment down below. Notice I'm wearing my Ipsy Hat Company hat. Now clearly the logo shows up in the video. I'd be able to see it better if it's shaded. I lived in this Ypsilanti for about 10 years. 1963 to 1973, so those were formative years for me. Started my teenage years there. Moved to Las Cruces after my freshman year of high school, after which I attended Las Cruces High School. Got into running then, even though I wasn't on the track team. I just did it recreationally and for general fitness. Developed a real love of this sport and moved away, later moved back to Las Cruces, and I'm delighted to have resumed this activity. And it turns out I'm doing a lot more interesting running. Not as much fast running, of course, but a lot of fun. Allows me to explore lots of other interests. And of course I'm not really a geologist, but every once in a while I read up on it, learn about how these things get formed. Pretty complicated subject, actually. And, not something that is easy to acquire on an amateur basis. But keeping your brain stimulated as you get older is definitely good for your mental health. In that way, this trail running stuff serves two purposes. It gives me something to think about on an intellectual level, and it makes my legs work hard, and of course my lungs. That is a Clark cup cactus, or sometimes called a King's cup cactus, or whatever. It's a Conocerius coccineus. Blooming is already done for this year, so we're not going to see any flowers this time. It's kind of a fun thing to do, though, when you go out on the trails. Get those plants, take pictures of them and so forth, and then try to identify them. Not very good at it, but getting better with time. Alright. About 2 miles into this jaunt. I'm going to turn around here. Go back home. One last panoramic view. Hopefully it'll come out well even though I'm shooting into the sun. See how well this computational videography thing works. And the Doniana Mountains there. Someday I'm going to go over there, do some video too. Alright, that's it. Head back and wrap this thing up.